Was Oscar Pistorius suffering from mental illness when he killed his girlfriend, Reeva Steenkamp? That question prompted a month-long evaluation of the Olympic and Paralympic athlete, right in the middle of his murder trial. Well, today the trial resumed, and the results of the psychiatric testing were shared with the court. Adrienne Arsenault has more.
For a man who built his brand on being so outstandingly capable, it's Oscar Pistorius' vulnerabilities his defense team count on. He spent the last month being tested at a South African hospital to determine if he had a psychiatric disorder, deeming him not criminally responsible for killing his girlfriend, Reeva Steenkamp. His lawyers hoped doctors would conclude he was too anxiety-riddled that Valentine's night to really know what he was doing. Certainly his anxiousness in court, the crying and retching, seemed to suggest to many that something deeper may have been going on.
She wasn't breathing.
But doctors didn't buy it. The prosecutor only too happy to read out their report in court.
Mr. Pistorius did not suffer from a mental defect or mental illness at the time of the commission of the offence that would have rendered him criminally not responsible for the offences.
So mentally fit then to understand right from wrong, and mentally fit now to stand trial, but maybe still vulnerable in other ways. The court heard from the surgeon who amputated Pistorius' legs when he was a toddler and treated him ever since. He spoke of Pistorius' pain and difficulty moving without his prosthetics, all making him fragile in dangerous situations.
His ability of fleeing is severely impaired, and his ability to ward off danger is severely impaired.
At one point, the judge left the bench to go get a closer look at Pistorius' stumps to help understand his balance issues. Naturally, none of this impressed the skeptical prosecutor.
The most amazing part of this is walking to the bathroom on accused version, firing the shots, running back from the bathroom, all done in the dark.
There aren't many more witnesses to go. One today spoke of testing the volume level of Pistorius' screams, whether neighbors could have heard him, mistaken him for a woman, as his defense team suggests. It's all very technical talk, and it will continue in the next few days. And it won't be long now before the judge and two assessors have to decide if Oscar Pistorius was just a panicked man protecting his love or a cold killer. Adrienne Arsenault, CBC News, London.